Good morning, SIS online classes. Myself, Vicky Bhamra. Today I am going to teach SST's chapters Geography, the Northern Mountains. I am going to tell about some points about the glacier. A large body of ice that moves slowly, a slope or a valley and spreads outward on the land surface. Valley, a low area of land between hills or mountains. Terrace farming, flat surface, cut on steep hillside to grow crops. Location, the northern mountains comprise the Himalayas, the world's higher mountain range. The fact that a large part of range remains covered with the snow throughout the year justify the name of Himalaya. The Himalaya stretch across the northern and the northeastern part of the country. 9 of the 10 highest mountain peaks in the world are in the Himalaya range. The highest mountain peak in the world is the Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters high and located in Nepal. The Kanchenjunga 8,598 meter is the highest mountain peak in India. The Himadri of the Greater Himalaya. The Himadri is the northernmost range of Himalaya. Is the highest of the three ranges. Some of the highest peaks in the world, such as Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga ranges. Most of the peaks in the Himalayas range remains permanently covered with snow. Glacier, the thick moving shears of the the thick moving sheets of the ice originate in this range. These glaciers melt from rivers, Himalayas rivers such as the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Satluj. River Ganga originates from the Gangotri glaciers and the river Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri glaciers. The Himachal of the Middle Himalaya. The Himachal range lies on the south of the Himalayas range. The mountains in the range are as high as those in the Himadri range. Beautiful valleys such as Kashmir Valley, Kullu Valley and the Kangra Valley are located between the mountain. Hill stations such as Shimla, Mansoori, Nainital, Almora and Darjeeling are also located in the range. Thick forest of pine, oak, devdar, fir trees found here. The Shivaliks of the lower Himalaya. The southernmost and the lowest range of Himalaya is the Shivalik. The slopes are covered with a thick forest which are used for a terrace farming. These forests are home to a large variety of flora and fauna. Importance of the Himalaya. The Himalaya are a very important landform for the India. Their location are presence is ideal for India is many ways. Several rivers originates in the Himalayas. Those rivers provide a fresh water and make the land fertile. The Himalayas as a natural boundary. The Himalayas protect India from the cold winds blowing from the Central Asia. The Himalaya stop the monsoon winds from going further north, crossing heavy rainfall in the northern plains of India. The dense forest in the Himalayas rain are home to several wild animals. They consist of a variety of trees. I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.